In the box, you will find the product, foldable stand, USB power cable, and user manual. You can use any standard USB power adapter for the device. However, make sure it provides 5 volts with a minimum output of 2 amperes. Using a power supply with less than 2 amperes may cause the device to malfunction. The best way to install all eMotion models is to mount them on the wall, which ensures optimal detection range. We highly recommend completing all setups and testing before fixing the device to the wall. There's a foldable stand included in the product package. You can pull out the legs and adjust its height and angle. Stick the smaller side with the 3M sticker to the device. And stick the larger side with the white adhesive to the wall or a table.